To create a book cover in Canva for free, start by logging into your account and clicking on the search bar at the top of the home screen. Type in book cover and press enter, which will bring up a variety of templates. Most of these templates are free, but some may have a cost associated with them, indicated by a crown or dollar sign. If you want to filter out the paid options, you can try using the All Filters button, although this feature may not always be available. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to see related options, which may include better alternatives. When you've selected a template, click on Customize this template to open the book cover editor. This is a straightforward process, similar to setting up a social media page. Begin by adjusting the size of the template using the zoom bar at the bottom of the screen. Next, hover over the sections you want to edit, such as the title or author name, and click on them to make changes. You can change the text, resize it, and adjust the color to fit your needs. You can also change the background color of the book cover by clicking on it and selecting a new color from the options provided. If you want to add an image to your book cover, click on the Upload button on the left side of the screen and select an image from your computer or your Canva library. You can then drag and drop the image onto the template, although you may need to adjust its size and position to fit the space. Alternatively, you can add a frame to your image by clicking on the Elements tab, selecting a frame, and dragging it onto the template. Once you've customized your book cover, you can add other elements, such as graphics or icons, by clicking on the Elements tab and browsing through the available options. You can drag and drop these elements onto your template and adjust their size and position as needed. When you're finished designing your book cover, click on the Download button and select the file type you need, such as PDF. If you're printing the book cover, you may need to choose a different file type, depending on your printer's requirements. Your book cover will be saved to your computer, and you can also access it again in your Canva account if you need to make any further changes. Creating a book cover in Canva is a simple and free process that can help you create a professional-looking cover for your book, whether it's an ebook or a print book. With a little creativity, you can design a cover that will help your book stand out and attract readers.